Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new plugin that I just bought. It's called Sector and is currently on sale for 90% off. And I just paid, I think, 14 euros for it. So I think it's a nice plugin and I will leave a link in the description so that you can see. It's not, they are not paying me or anything. I just received this new letter from Audio Plugins. It's a website that has really good deals. So if you want to check them out, I will have a link in the description. Again, this is no way paid. This is just me buying with my own money, and yeah, just me doing some not a review, but I'm just going to have some fun with this plugin because I think it's a really cool plugin and you can have some really good sounds with it. And I was messing around with the plugin here and I found a sound that I like, so I'm going to maybe make a techno track with it. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will be able to see the full videos and more videos about music production. Download the sample packs and the project files and have access to exclusive Q&A sessions where I get all your questions and then I answer them the best that I can. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to FL Studio. So this is the plugin. It's called Sector, and as you can see, it's a quite nice plugin. Let me actually switch to this view, maybe this one here. It's better. And as you can see, we have here this money preset here, which I like. And if we go here to the sequencer, you can see what we have here. This is the browser. We have a bunch of files here or a bunch of banks, and we still have also here this all these presets here. So this is the ARPS preset. So let's go ahead and see. Let's use this D# note and let's keep it like that. Like that. This is very high, a lot of very high noise volume. Let's actually have the bass a little bit lower. Okay, now we can go and maybe add some drums here. Let's go with FPC. Okay, so now we have a bass. Let's go ahead and bring the selector again. One of the things that I wanted to do with this plugin, because I bought this plugin because you can see what you have in the filters here, and it's very easy to add, for instance, the envelope. You just right click here, go to envelope, mod envelope here, and then you can pretty much, it reminded me like what's the name of the plugin that I would like to have? It's called Serum. Yeah, I was not remembering it. So we are using A and F. Kind of like that. Let's bring that one again and let's keep it like that because it already has movement. Let's record that, maybe it's easier. Let's hit record and just play. Okay, sounds nice. Let's now listen to it. Let's quantize this. Let's see if that sounds nice. Let's quantize this. Let's maybe put it here. I like that. Let's try that. Let's try again. I like the crescendo of the sound. Let's listen to it in context. Sounds nice. I think I can flip this and have a song based on this. So having this part more for the breakdown, the melodic things, and then have the other part like for a drop with more intense energy. And I think I'm going to do that actually. Okay, I think we have a new series here, and I thought I was going to do some kind of techno, but this is more like a EDM, melodic EDM stuff, especially with this part here. I like that. And then we can, let's bring everything here. I think this track is going to be really dope. Okay, so now we have two sections. One section is this part here, which will be like the melodic part and the release part, and then we will have the drop, which will be this part here. But now I have to see and have to think, how am I going to organize everything? Because now this is the raw data, the raw sections, and they sound very good with it on. Today I can't speak. They sound really good on their own, and this is a little bit loud. And yeah, sometimes this happens, and I really love when this happens, and that's one of the reasons why I love music so much. Is because it can transform my emotions and how I'm feeling, and it gives me some really good motivation and really good vibes when I get something that I really enjoy and something that I feel it's a really nice track. So this is it, guys. This was my final mindset or rant about what I was feeling and what I'm going to do in the next video. If you like this video, consider subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium member, and you will see the entire videos where I explain everything. You will see all my mindsets without any cuts, and you will see pretty much You will be on my shoulder seeing whatever I do here on FL Studio, and you'll also be able to download sample packs, project files, and you will be able to get access and ask questions for the Q&A sessions, where I get all of your questions and then I answer them in videos so that you can accelerate your learning to become a professional producer way faster. This is it, guys. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.